Let's get to some trader talk now with Knuckman of Agora Financial, bringing us the weekly options alert. You have many trades to get to. What do you think about the overall market conditions?
Well, I've been saying no surprise, new all-time highs. It's 3 sessions in a row that the S&P has closed at all-time record highs. But it's also important that we had faith in our Facebook play. Facebook boomed last week, and it was an indication that our indicator has some good internals there, that the smart money, somebody knew something, and that's why we were getting all that indication that Facebook was very strong.
Right, so that's your WPI trade tracker right now. And what are you thinking about this stock? You're hanging on, correct?
Yeah, we got out of half our position with 125% profit on that big pop. Now, yesterday, Facebook got up to 197, which was just $1 below that recent high. So let's look for a secondary move above 200, and then we'll lock in some more.
You're also holding a position in BP.
BP, the May 40 calls now are in the money. Had some good earnings yesterday. Let's see if we can get some follow through and another push.
And then Valero, also in the oil patch.
Valero and oil, we had taken half our position off. So again, some May options there. The May 80 calls, again, we want to see the energy sector make another push to the upside and crude oil make an attack on those highs once again.
Now you do have a position in Pfizer. Pfizer came out with earnings, and there's some trouble with generics for this company. But how's your trade going?
The stock reacted positively, so that's at least something. Now this is one that an example of the market hasn't moved. Now we've got May option 2.5 weeks of time, so it's a $40 call, so it's a little bit in the money. Let's see if we get a push. I think 43 is about a break even, so we're not that far away with some time to go.
You also have a small cap trade on IWM.
IWM hitting up against that 160 high here the last couple of sessions. If you can break through there, then we're going to 170. And that should be in good shape as well.
What about Micron?
MU. June $40 call, stuck between 40 and 45, still waiting for a breakout, about 3 weeks.
And then your WPI trade trigger for this week is?
JD.com.
Going to China.
So it's the China Amazon-like company. So they're an online seller. Now this is a stock that really got hit hard, and now it's trading between 20 and 30 here in 2019. So that targets a breakout up to 40. Now this stock was at 45 just last year. So the June 25 call, 25 is a halfway point of the range that it's been trading in here for this year. So the June 25 call, almost 2 months of time, and smart money sees something.
Right, you're giving yourself a long time horizon on that trade.
Exactly.
Now, your trading floor takeaways, start with number one.
Number one, to get back to the Russell 2000, small sites. Now the Russell 2000 is still 10% off the record top, so look for that to snap back, the little rubber band catch up there.
And then number two is the Dow dog.
Yeah, the Dow's still not at its record. We've seen it in tech, we've seen it in the S&P.
It's been lagging.
It's been lagging, but the reason is because Boeing makes up 10% of the Dow. Boeing's a very expensive stock, $375 per share, and so that stock is 15% off its highs. So if that stock could just play ball, we would see the Dow have a big drive to the upside.
But for the moment, number three, it's all about Apple.
Big day here. Apple earnings came out. The options here, to get back to the theme that the markets know, the options had priced in about a 5% measured move, and in the aftermarket here, we're seeing Apple up about 5%. So let's see if that can get it a little push here. Now it's 40% off its lows, 10% off its highs, and that's really been a macro market barometer for this big rebound that we've seen here in 2019.
Thank you for your Trader Talk. We'll see you next week.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.